Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Saturday morning real estate marketing show with Ruthie Rocks, Ruth Allbrand, and I am Marketing Max. This is show number 596, approaching the 600 mark, which Ruth will probably break this week with her show. So today we have another returning guest, Mrs. Erin Pearson Mills from eXp Realty. She's going to talk about why her family is selling a beloved pillar of Las Vegas, McKee Ranch. It's up for sale. And so I'm curious to see what's the thought process behind there. And always like catching up with her and what she's doing in the real estate marketing world as well. So, but before we get to Erin, Ruth, what is happening in real estate?
Well, real estate, it's a hot topic, right? It's a very hot topic. Well, we've got about 25 days of inventory. That's good and bad. And we did list 172 homes, which is good. And 56 of those homes that we listed are under 400,000. And of the 3,155 single family homes that are available, 1,093, almost 1,100 of those are under 400,000. So
okay, fantastic.
Still,
roughly about a third.
Yeah, still the sweet spot. That's good. We closed 150 homes yesterday, and the number we closed in July is 3,104, which averages us about, she says it's not working.
Keep talking about stats. Okay. Let me see if I can text her.
Okay. So anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, we were averaging about 135 sales a day, which is really, really good. And we are still having those low interest rates. And so the median priced home is about $1,755 a month for the mortgage payment, principal and interest. So that's very affordable. And we know that rents are going up. So